Okay, so a couple other things to show you. So now I've added the icon right to the home screen. So I'll just open up the app here. I guess I was still logged in, but that's okay. What I wanted to show you is how it does interact with other features on your smartphone. Let me just see if I can get the focus better there. All right, so for example, downloading an Excel spreadsheet. Now, to be honest, the first time it came up, I had to give permission for Chrome to have storage space, and then I had to give permission for it to access resources on the phone. So, oh, I already downloaded it once. See? So anyway, I'll download it again. Yeah, I'll just say download. Right, so there it is downloading. I can now open it. See that? And there's my spreadsheet that we just downloaded, right? So that's fully working fine. I can go back to the app. Okay, so what else could we do here? See, I've got my filter and sort working. Okay, let's go into Barney here. Oh, let me go down to edit. All right, so there's Barney. So let's say we want to update Barney's picture. So there's the picture file. I'll just click browse. So you see I could go to the files. I could go to the camera, right? So there we go. I'll just take a new picture for Barney. Say yep. And there we go. So now as I save, it will upload that picture. Now, I'm on a very slow Wi-Fi in the country here, so I'm pretty sure it's saving. Heard any good jokes lately? See, that's what I get for doing these recordings without testing first. There we go. All right, so there's Barney with his updated picture, right? All right, back to patient list. And there's Barney, okay? Woohoo! All right, so you see the whole point. It works very well, integrates nicely into the actual device itself. So gives you lots to think about, doesn't it?